There are a few ways you can measure a feeder cable length. You could, for example, follow the cable route through the building and onto the antenna with a tape measure. But an easier way is to use the distance to fault function of the sitemaster to make the measurement. Repeat the distance to fault measurement shown earlier. No matter how good the antenna is, there will always be a microscopic signal reflected back from the antenna. This reflected signal will make the antenna visible as a slightly elevated VSWR indication if you increase the sensitivity of the instrument. So we are going to zoom in, quite a lot actually. The top of the graph scale is 1.5 to 1, so we shall reduce this to 1.02 to 1. Press the amplitude key, then the top soft key. Now we enter 1.02 and enter. After a few seconds, the display will show the amplified readings. Now we can see the microscopic reflections from a joint midway in the cable, as well as the antenna at the far end. The reading on the graph can then be directly read against the bottom scale of the display as a distance, in meters, to the antenna. Again, the markers described in the spectrum analyzer film can be used to give a more accurate distance reading. The most accurate reading will be obtained when the antenna is disconnected and a 50 ohm calibrated load is substituted. Never again do we need to rip down ceilings and climb about in roof spaces to measure a feeder.